Hello, hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, welcome to my channel. It's Eyeshadow, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm gonna share with you my everyday soft glam tutorial. So let's get right into this video. So what I like to do first before doing anything on my face is I like to apply my setting powder. And I always use my black opral setting powder on my face. So I'm just going to use this to set my face. Then I'm going to apply my foundation on my face. So I'm just going to shake it like that. Yeah, so I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, this one right here, and I'm going to tap like that. Dust that off. First off, let me take my hair off because it's gonna be a distraction. Yeah, so now I'm gonna apply my setting powder right on my skin. So now I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using Mary Kay full coverage foundation for this makeup look. And I'm going to use my blender to blend it all into my skin. Now I'm going to apply my concealer under my eyes and every area that I want to highlight. And I'm going in with my contour, and I'm going to contour the sides of my cheek. And I'm going on the side of my nose too. I'm going to spray my setting spray on my face. And now I'm going to blend everything in. I'm going to start with the contour. So I'm just tapping that in. Now I'm going to go in. Okay, now I'm going to go under my eyes again with my setting powder. And I'm still going to use my fluffy brush to do this. So I'm just going to tap that in on the places that I highlighted earlier on. So now I'm gonna let it set and I'll do my brows real quick and I'll be right back. I'm grabbing my eyeshadow palette, going in with this color, this one right here. You can see that I'm almost done with it because I use it almost all the time. So I'm grabbing this shade right here and this one. So these two I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna use this above my crease and this under my eyelid. Now I'm going in with the other shade and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. So now I'm going in with my mascara. I'm going in with my contour powder and I'm just blending that in. So I'm going with my beauty brush and I'm going to press down the setting powder into my skin. So now I'm going to outline my lips. I'm grabbing this nude lipstick and I'm going to apply this to my lips. And I'm grabbing my lip gloss and I'm going to apply that right on my lips. I'm gonna grab my lashes and I'm going to do this real quick. So I'm gonna set my face now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you'd love to see more content like this on my channel, please let me know. I will always love to make videos for you guys. And if you have any video requests, drop it in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply you and make a video for you coming up soon. So I would love to see you in the next one, and bye.